It's Mina, Slay, best friend. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for visiting. And if you are subscribed to my channel, welcome back. In today's video, we will be bleaching the knots on this 4C 13x4 kinky texture HD lace frontal wig that I got off of Amazon. And yes, this wig was definitely affordable. This wig was under $200, and it is a 28-inch wig. So I'm going in with my 40 volume developer and my powder, and I'm mixing those together. It's kind of a loose texture, not really a stiff texture, but I went in and I'm just gonna bleach these knots. So I just learned that my lace actually lays better and I can get a definite melt when I bleach the knots. So that's what I'm doing in this video right here. Okay, so now that we have got that all done, I'm going in with the Reynolds wrap foil, and I'm going to let this set on the lace. I let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, no longer than that, because the looser the mixture, I think the faster the knots will bleach, and so I only let it sit for a few. So right here, I'm just checking it, and we are right there where I need it to be. It matches my skin tone, and so I am satisfied with this tone. So I'm going to go ahead and get my Tresemme. This is the knockoff Tresemme shampoo, and I put on some gloves so I don't want the chemical reaction from the bleach to be touching my hands. So we're going to take this wig over to the sink, and we're going to go ahead and shampoo all this bleach out and get this thing ready. So let's go. All right, this is just a view of me showing y'all how the bleach, how I bleached the knots and how it turned out. I'm not, too keen on the bleach getting on the hair, but I'm okay with it because it still gives me a natural feel. I'm rinsing the wig out under like lukewarm water so we can get all the, so we can stop the bleach processing. And we can go ahead and remove all the bleach powder from off the lace, rubbing vigorously just to make sure we stop the chemical reaction and the tinting of the lace. Once that was completed, I went in with that shampoo. It's not the purple bottle shampoo, the toner, or the shimmer light. I didn't have any of that. My daughter used it all, so I went in just with the regular shampoo. And we're going to comb out all this excess, any kind of shedding, any hair that's coming out, which I did not get that much. But we want to make sure we wash the wig when we receive it. The wig did have a little odor to it, which I wasn't fond of. So I said, well, if I'm going to wash the wig, then I'm definitely going to bleach the knots and then wash the wig. So we kind of did a 2-in-1. And look at the wave pattern, y'all. This hair is the truth. This is 100% human hair. There is no fibers, synthetic fibers blended into the human hair. This is 100% human hair. So I did, like I said, get a few shed hairs out of the brush as I was detangling the hair. And, not significantly a large amount, but it definitely was enough to say we don't want no more hair coming out of this. So we want to keep this density as thick as possible. So let's go ahead and rinse the shampoo out. And if I did not mention the density of this wig, the wig was 180 density. It's kind of giving me like a 200 density vibe because this wig was thick from root to end. So I'm like, this got to be maybe a 200. I think they might have sent me a 200 on accident, but look, I ain't the one to complain. So we're just going to get this a quick rinse. And we're going to just keep on with the process. Look at the wave pattern as I'm like dragging the water out of the hair. This wig, like, it's going to be the bomb. All right, so right here, y'all, I'm showing me removing the clips from the wig, inside of the wig. I do not like that. I don't use them, and it kind of creates breakage on your natural hair up underneath the wigs. So I tend to cut those off so I don't have any tension or any pulling on my natural hair. So it was one on the top, two on the sides, and we're going to get that one in the very nape. Don't want to forget about that one because that will create a lot of breakage in your nape area. So let's go ahead and remove all those clips. And we're going to go ahead and put this wig on this mannequin head. Secure it down. And we're just going to do a quick styling with the Lotta Body Foam and also the Nairobi foam. I almost forgot what I was about to say, but yeah, the Nairobi foam, I was almost out of that. So I went in after that with the Lotta Body Foam and continued to style the wig. This is the 4C kinky texture with the baby hairs. So I was just trying to style some of the baby hairs, as such. Nothing big, nothing major. It's just me styling the baby hairs on this wig. Just to give y'all a visual on how the wig could possibly look when it's on your head. The wig is the bomb. This wig is the bomb. I did order this off of Amazon. And I'm satisfied with how this wig turned out. I probably will order this wig again. And after this, I will be showing y'all how I install this wig. So y'all stay tuned for that. If y'all want to see me install this wig, y'all definitely stay tuned. Everything turned out right for me. I can't wait to put this wig on. Like I said, it's 28 inches. If I didn't mention it earlier, we're going to do a middle part. If I don't like the middle part, once I get it on my head, I will switch it to a side part. I just became a side part girl, but I thought I was a middle part girl till I died. But I actually like the deep side part as well. So depending on how it looks when I get it on my head, it's going to determine the parting for me at that time. So we're going to go ahead and just drench this hair down with the rest of that Nairobi foam to make sure we get those curls juicy, popping, get them fluffy, get them wet. Drench that hair all the way down from the root to the tip. Drag that Lotta Body and Nairobi foam through them curls, get them popping. And we're just going to let this wig sit on this mannequin head overnight. And then tomorrow, I will go ahead in the morning and I will style this wig and put it on my head. So y'all stay tuned for the install. Just giving y'all some more texture with the wig, showing y'all how the curl pattern is, showing y'all the baby 4C baby hairs that came along with the wig. I didn't cut none of the hairs. They already was done. They came like that with the wig when I purchased it. And so everything looks just amazing with this wig. So if y'all like this and y'all want to see the install, that will be coming up next. So make sure y'all stay tuned and tune into the next video because I will be putting this beauty on top of my head. I cannot wait. This wig looks amazing. And I have no cons for this wig. Right now it's all pros. And she is doing her thing for me. So thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned to the install. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed what you saw and would like to see more content such as this, please drop me a comment down in the comment section below, and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new content to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next tutorial.